Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenter's. Today we're going to take a look at our sequential LED tail light assemblies for the 55 and 56 F-Series trucks. Updating the lighting on your classic vehicle not only looks good, but is also safer on today's busy highways. By updating to LED tail lights, your visibility to other drivers is greatly improved, and having sequential flashing turn signals increases that visibility even further. Our taillight assemblies have 38 super bright LEDs and has a sequential on-off selector switch. It also features a brake attention option with a sequential once function. The electronics are fully sealed and epoxy coated for long life. Each light is plug and play with a standard 1157 plug. The left side assembly includes the lens for the license plate light. These lights do require our electronic flasher, which is sold separately. Listed for 1955 and 56 Ford trucks, they can be used on many F-Series trucks with this style tail light bracket. So make your classic Ford truck stand out in traffic by installing these LED tail lights and give your project some added protection on today's busy highways. You can find these and other LED lighting options at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on our latest videos. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.